can't ever tell how close those trees are over there. How close do you think I'm coming to those?
I think you're still pretty good distance away from them.
I put a little more flap on. I'm flying with about half flaps right now. Once I trimmed out the ailerons a little bit, it just seems to fly on its own. Did it buzz you? Hang on just a second.
It's a good video.
I tell you, it just wants to climb. If I let it go, it just climbs. Put a little down elevator on it. Sometimes I hate to let go of the controls to trim it. You know, you have a perfectly trimmed plane if you let go of the controls and it just flies level and straight. I rarely get to that.